Unboxing the HP Rechargeable MPP2.0 tilt pin. Remove the pin and USB Type-C cable from the package. Your packaging might be different depending on your purchase method. Slide the cover up to access the charging port. Insert one end of the supplied USB Type-C charging cable into the port. Then insert the other end of the cable into the USB Type-C port on your laptop. You can also charge the pin using a USB Type-C adapter. The status light is located at the top of the pin. The light will be solid amber while charging, blinking amber when the battery is low, and solid white when fully charged. Caution: the end cap is not removable. Once fully charged, remove the USB Type-C cable from the pin and slide the cover back into place. The tilt pin has two buttons located near the bottom. By default, the top button is used to select an item or to perform right-click functions. The bottom button is used to erase. Depending on the application, these button functions might vary. The tilt pin also comes with replacement tips. To replace the tip, pull straight out to remove the used tip. Insert the replacement tip into the pin until it stops. The HP Rechargeable MPP2.0 tilt pin is now ready to use with your PC.